Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture I have selected one question for you people for JEE Mains Online from 2017 of the chapter matrices. So let's start the video. First of all, let's go through the question. First, okay, for two 3x3 matrices A and B, that is we have considered two different matrices. One is A and another is B of order 3x3. Both of them are square matrix. Let their sum is equal to twice of B dash, B prime. That means B prime is nothing but the transpose of the matrix B. And the thrice A plus twice B is equal to the I3. I3 means identity matrix of order 3. Okay, where B dash is the transpose of B and I3 is the 3x3 matrix, identity matrix. Then you have to find out which one option is correct. 10A plus 5B is equal to 3I3, 5A plus 10B is equal to 2I3, 3A plus 6B and B plus twice A is equal to I3. We have to find the correct one. So let's start. So listen, how can we find out or how can we proceed to find out the answer? From the given information, we have to arrange the given information in such a way that we will get the answer. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we'll consider, remember that it is given that A plus B is equal to twice B dash. This is known to us. By transposing both sides, A plus B whole transpose equal to twice B of transpose. We know that A plus B whole transpose is always equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and 2 is a constant quantity, 2 is not a matrix, so it will remain same, and B transpose. B transpose whole transpose, so it will be equal to B. From here, we can easily find out the value of the matrix B. B is equal to A transpose plus B transpose divided by 2. As the matrix is totally related with A and B, if you observe carefully, there will be in all those options, you have A, B and the identity matrix. There is not a single term which contains the transpose. That's why we have to find out the value of A and B exactly, and then we'll put it in the given form and we'll try to find out the answer. This is what we will do. We'll try to find out the value of A and B first. So the value of B is here. So we have got that B is equal to A transpose plus B transpose by 2. Now we can actually put the value of B. Okay. So now we can actually put the value of B here so that we can actually find the value of A. So A plus B transpose means A transpose plus B transpose divided by 2 is equal to twice of B transpose. So that means we can easily simplify. So A is equal to what? Twice B transpose minus A transpose plus B transpose by 2. So 4B transpose minus A transpose minus B transpose by 2, which is equal to, you have gotten 3A transpose 3B transpose minus A transpose by 2. Is it clear? That means we have got a value of A also, which is equal to 3 of B transpose minus A transpose divided by 2. Now what we will do, we will put the value of A and B here in the second equation. Okay, so and we try to find the relationship which one is correct. Okay, so this is the value of A and B. Now thrice A plus twice B is equal to I3. Suppose this one is equation number 1. Now put the value of A and B here. So 3, A means what? 3B transpose minus A transpose by 2 plus, okay, twice of A transpose plus B transpose by 2 is equal to the identity matrix of order 3. Okay, then what we will do? We can easily simplify it. It will be 9 of B transpose minus 3 of A transpose, correct, plus twice A transpose plus 2B transpose is equal to twice of I3. I hope you are getting my point. Here we have taken 2 as the LCM. After taking 2 as the LCM and having the simplification, we have like that. So 9B transpose plus 2B transpose which is equal to 11B transpose, correct? Then minus, it will be minus A transpose which is equal to twice I3. Okay, we have got this one. I hope you are getting my point. We have got this one only. We have got this one. So again transposing both the terms, 11B transpose minus A transpose whole transpose equal to twice of I3 whole transpose. So we can easily simplify it. So 11B transpose whole transpose it will be equal to B minus A transpose whole transpose it will be equal to A is equal to 2 is a constant quantity and the transpose of identity matrix is again identity. That means we have got the second equation, equation number 2. We have got two different equations, equation 1 and equation number 2. We can easily solve these two equations and we can easily find out a value. Got it? That means we can easily solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2. After solving these two equations using any method, maybe elimination method you can use, maybe substitution method, maybe cross multiplication method, any method you can use to find out the value of A and B. After having the simplification, you will get A is equal to I3 by 5 and B matrix will be equal to identity matrix by 5. Now put a value in any one of these four equations. Whichever will satisfy the equation, it will be the answer. Obviously, if A is equal to I3 by 5 and B is equal to I3 by 5, put it here, it will be 3I3. That means the option number A is correct. I hope you are getting my point. So this is the procedure to find out the answer. So up to this one, you have got it. So solution process can be find it out using any method. You can easily find it out and try to find the value of A and B. Put the value anywhere out of the four equations. You will get the correct answer, and the correct answer will be equal to option number A. Okay.